Unraveling Split Screen Mode, a simplified guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we'll be diving into the digital world to explore the concept of split screen mode. If you've ever found yourself multitasking on your computer or phone, this feature is a game changer. Let's unfold how it can boost your productivity and transform your multitasking experience. Split screen mode is a functionality found in many modern electronic devices like computers, tablets, and smartphones. As the name suggests, it allows you to split your device's screen into two parts or windows. This means you can view and interact with two different applications side by side, without having to switch back and forth between them. Imagine reading an article on one side of the screen while taking notes on the other. Convenient, isn't it? Split screen mode is not just a fancy feature, it's a powerful tool for productivity. It's widely used in various scenarios. Work and study, compare documents, reference materials, or follow a tutorial while practicing a skill. Communication, keep your email or chat open on one side while working on a document on the other. Entertainment, watch a video while browsing the web or chatting with friends. Activating split screen mode is usually straightforward. On most devices, you can drag a window to the edge of the screen, and it will automatically resize to fill half of the screen. The exact steps can vary depending on your device and operating system, so it's worth exploring your device's specific instructions. To truly benefit from split screen mode, consider these tips. 1. Purposeful pairing. Choose applications that complement each other. Reading and note-taking, coding and testing, or comparing two documents are great examples. 2. Avoid overload. While it's tempting to multitask, too many tasks can lead to decreased productivity. Use split screen for related tasks to maintain focus. 3. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn and use keyboard shortcuts. They can significantly speed up your navigation between screens and applications. That's all for today's journey into the world of split screen mode. Embrace this feature to make your digital life more efficient and enjoyable. Remember, like any tool, its power lies in how you use it. So, go ahead, split your screen, and double your productivity. Hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Happy multitasking!